Welcome. This is the story of human evolution. Not a history lesson, but a journey. A planet of fire and stone, storms raging across a barren world. No creatures walked here, yet, against all odds, it endured. And from that endurance, everything we know was born.
For billions of years, life remained simple. Tiny prokaryotes drifted through the oceans, clinging to existence in a hostile environment.
They consumed energy from chemical reactions, from sunlight, from the minerals of the earth itself. They were small, invisible to the eye, but they were persistent. And persistence is the seed of evolution.
Suddenly, life was no longer just about survival. It was about specialization. Some cells became protectors.
Others became processors. Together, they created organisms far more capable than any single cell alone. And then came the Cambrian explosion. In what seemed like the blink of an evolutionary eye.
The oceans filled with creatures of astonishing variety. Shells, spines, eyes, predators and prey locked in arms race.
About 538 million years ago, evolution accelerated in the turbulent seas. But the ocean was only half the story. Life was about to attempt its greatest leap yet. 400 million years ago, fins became limbs. Gills gave way to lungs. Creatures stepped onto land, facing scorching heat, gravity, and predators unlike any they had known before. To survive, they grew thicker skin, sharper claws, tougher eggs. The conquest of land had begun. And then came the giants. Dinosaurs rose, towering over the earth, dominating every ecosystem. For millions of years, dinosaurs ruled with strength, speed, ferocity. Our ancestors hid, tiny fur-covered creatures. But hiding was not weakness. It was preparation. Fear was shaping something new inside their skull. Fear sharpened senses. Cold raised fur. Tiny muscles gave goosebumps.
Inside small skull, a new structure formed, the neocortex, the foundation of imagination, creativity, and thought.
Then, catastrophe struck. An asteroid slammed into present-day Mexico. Firestorms encircled the planet.
Dinosaurs fell. Giants collapsed. And as the ash cleared, the small survivors rose. From those survivors came mammals. Warm-blooded, adaptable, intelligent. They nursed their young, cared for their families, and learned to thrive in a world reshaped by disaster. And among them, primates began to climb, leap, and explore. But climbing trees was not enough. Something was about to change forever. In Africa, forests thinned, food grew scarce. One ancestor released the branches, stood upright. Walking freed our hands. It reshaped our hips. It forced earlier births, leading to longer childhood. Longer childhoods expanded the brain. Intelligence became our greatest weapon. But intelligence alone was not enough. We needed tools and fire. Sharp stones carved possibilities from bone and meat.
Food reshaped jaws, freed energy for the brain. Families formed. Words emerged. The tongue descended. Sounds became speech.
200,000 years ago, Homo sapiens arrived. Tools, language, intelligence armed us. We spread across continents.
We settled, built, explored, imagined, adapted, rising until we became undisputed. 10,000 years ago, seeds planted. Agriculture tethered us. Villages grew into cities. History became legacy. Monuments rose, laws written. With power came conflict, and with conflict came innovation. Bronze yielded to iron. Empires rose, empires fell. Trade connected continents. Steam engines multiplied strength. Industry transformed landscapes. Humanity entered a new age. Today, ancestors' unimaginable world surrounds us. We split atoms, map genomes, explore space. Minds shape planet itself now. We bend rivers, build skyscrapers, launch machines beyond solar system. We write poetry, compose symphonies, and dream immortality. Evolution never stops.